Hello, Chef here once again with another recipe for you. I've got a Persimmons here. Oh, look at that Persimmons, it's beautiful. This baby's nice and ripe, and the simplest way to eat it is to just chop it up and enjoy it. Slice it, dice it. You can put it in all different recipes. Check out the channel. I think we've got a pudding recipe or a few other dessert recipes using persimmons. It's really a neat little fruit, and it's really high in vitamin C and some other nutrients. It's very good for you. So before I get into this persimmons, I noticed my carving V-cut chisel here is a little bit dull, so I'm going to just use it on this diamond stone, give it a quick sharpening, which I've done before. But the tools lose their sharpness sometimes. Okay, we're going to check it. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. All right, we'll get this out of the way. Rinse this off just a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to carve this baby up today and enjoy it. I just thought I'd share this with you, show you what I'm up to here. So you can see the pattern, really nice, really cool. I'm just going to cut out a little bit like this, kind of a flower. Interesting, it's making some noise. Reserve that off to the side. Now, you can get into all different things with this. Some people peel them. I don't. I think the skin tastes fine. I'm just going to give this a few slices here, and the first slice is going to be just like this. Okay. I'm just going to slice it up. Consistent 1/8 inch thick slices is what I'm looking for here. It's nice. This one's nice. It's a little bit firm. However, it is ripe. It's going to be good. You could use this on a holiday gathering, fruit platter, some other dish you want to make. A little hard to get that last slice off of there. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to arrange this on a plate and show you what I've got here. It's really quite pretty. I'm going to leave these three. They look really nice. These ones I'm going to cut them in half. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on the plate like this. Check out some new flavors, some new ideas. So this is it. This is one way to serve a persimmons, and your guests are going to go, wow, I've never had that. Let's check it out. Try it. While we're here, I guess I need to do a little tasting and tell you what I think of this baby. Yeah. Smells really good. It's sweet, fruity, kind of a cross between a kiwi, a banana, and an orange all at once. The texture is really nice. It's got a lot going on here for sure. And yeah, it's got a little bit of a honey fragrance as well. Wow, really good. Persimmons have some unique properties to them. I'm not sure of all the details. Check some of the other videos on this channel, as well as just in general. And if you need to score any of the tools Chef's using here, Kasumi Japanese titanium knife, very nice. Slides through food. All you do is rinse it off. Stay sharp a long time. Butcher Blocks, made in America. Sponsor right there. Subscribe right there. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Ah, fresh basil. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Ah, by the best quality the first time.